Hey everybody, me over here at the Pilot Travel Center drinking that Pilot coffee. Getting ready to go out and throw some blades down. I'm gonna be a blade runner today. Listen to that diesel just cat up right there. Pilot Travel Center getting a delivery. We got that good coffee at Pilot Travel Center. Anybody wants coffee, get over here to Pilot Travel Center while the coffee's good. Cold day like today, you want some good coffee. Snow dozer coming to you today. I haven't had no time to stream. I ran out of storage in my phone. I'm running out of storage. I gotta get to the Verizon so they can tell me what to do. They're already charging me like $10, $12, $10, $12 a month for iCloud storage. Anybody got an iPhone, Apple iPhone, they kind of got you. I don't know how I can keep my content without deleting everything, without buying more storage. Anybody got any suggestions to tell me what's up or how to do that, just let me know in the comments. I'm trying to get back with everybody as it is a plowing machine. It's cold as crap here. Until next time, that's all you need to know. Thanks. Like, share, and subscribe. Please, let's get this channel rolling. I really appreciate everybody we got. Let's do this. I'm gonna get some new parts and we'll be on this. Tail light, mirrors, back bumper, I don't know. Till next time.